Hi guys, Miss McFarland here, and I'm going to help you with your Quizizz answers for this week. Our first question, what is 4 divided by 1/2? And I'm going to draw a model to help us. So that would be 4 holes. You can draw 4 squares, 4 circles, 4 rectangles. We're going to divide or cut each into half. And how many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our quotient is 8. Number 2, what is 6 divided by 1/3? Similar to the first one we did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. We're going to divide each into thirds. How many pieces do I have in all? Well, I have 3 in each, so I can skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Our quotient is 18. Number 3, I have a model with my question, what is 1/3 divided by 3? So here in my model, the shaded part is 1/3, and then I've divided it into 3 groups going horizontally. The green circle shows 1 piece out of 9, so my quotient is 1/9. Number 4, what is 1/2 divided by 4? Similar picture where I have half shaded in. I've divided it horizontally into 4 groups. This box represents 1 out of 8, or 1/8 is our quotient. Number 5, which equation matches the model? So here we have a model. Remember, we're going to start with the shaded part. So if I look at the shaded part with the black lines, 1/3 is shaded in first. So we're going to start with 1/3 divided by something. That 1/3 is then broken into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. That equals that 1 piece out of a total 5, 10, 15 boxes. So 1/3 divided by 5 equals 15. Which equation matches this model? This one looks a little different than the previous one, but I have 4 whole circles, so I know I'm going to start with a whole number. Each circle is divided into fourths. And if I count all those pieces up, 4, 8, 12, 16 is my quotient. So 4 divided by 1/4 equals 16. Number 7, Sam has 1/5 of his birthday cake left. If he shares the remaining cake with 3 people, what fraction of the cake does each person get? So let's draw a picture for this one. So Sam has 1/5 of his cake left. He's going to share, so that's a word for dividing or breaking apart, the remaining cake with 3 people. So I'm going to go horizontally and divide it into 1, 2, 3 groups. What fraction of the cake would each person get? So here's one person's part of the cake. That'd be 1 slice out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. So each person would get 1/15 of the cake. Number 8, Mrs. McFarland has 4 boxes of crayons. She wants to divide 1/5 of each box to her students. How many students can she share the crayons with? So I'm going to draw 4 boxes. And I'm going to divide each box into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students that can have crayons from that box, 5 from that box, 5 from this box, and 5 from this box. So 4 divided by 1/5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. Number 9, Zoe purchased a chocolate bar that weighed 1/2 pound. She divides the candy bar into 6 equal pieces. What is the weight of each piece of chocolate? Well, if she only starts with 1/2 pound of a chocolate bar, then I know my answer is going to have to be smaller than that because I'm going to be sharing this with 6 pieces. So I have a half a candy bar. I'm going to go horizontally divide it into 6 groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the weight of each piece? So let's say I want to know the weight of that piece. It's going to be 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 1/12 of a pound. And our final question. Miranda has 7 yards of fabric. She is going to make dresses for her dolls that use 1/4 of a yard. How many dresses can she make with the 7 yards? So I'm going to draw 7 rectangles as my 7 yards of fabric. So each yard can be divided into 4ths for the dresses. Out of all 7 yards, I want to know how many dresses she can make. So each one of these pieces represents a baby doll dress. So here we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. She can make 28 dresses. Let's see how we did. All right, I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching.